Going to use Orville Rettenbacher oil first. We take that and pour it right into the big heavy-duty pressure cooker. It's an old one. We don't use, of course, we don't use any pressure at all. Completely fill the bottom. And then we take some Orville Rettenbacher popcorn. And I take about 4 kernels of that and put it in the oil. And we let it heat up because you want your oil to be real hot before you start. Put the lid on there so it don't pop over the top. And wait a few minutes while it gets hot. Okay, as soon as those 4 kernels get all popped, then we'll add the whole rest of the popcorn. 2, 3, one more.
You should text him and say you witnessed unauthorized activity.
Yeah, let's check it.
In your mailbox.
Yeah, that one hadn't quite popped yet, but I think I'll leave it there. Okay, now we'll go ahead and put the popcorn in here. Yeah, it popped now. And I fill the popcorn in here so it's up to the, pretty well fills it, covers the oil all. There we go. Make sure and put the lid back on, and we have the heat set on the highest temperature you can use. Clear up on high. Then we wait a little bit and it'll start popping pretty soon. Now I better get out my glove here. Put my oven glove on so I don't burn my hands when I start to pour it. It's starting to pop again, and we're going to let it wait a little bit until it quits hitting the top of the pan and starts to get the pan here full, and then we'll start pouring. They're popping now. Still hitting the top. Let's be getting up there a ways now. Pour a little bit up and just shake it. Make sure the old maids get down to the bottom. All the non-popcorn goes through the bottom and it'll get popped that way. A little bit more. There, sounds like it's about all popped. So we'll just dump the whole thing now. And that's all there is to it. And you have to take it over and put a little salt on it, but make sure you don't get too much salt. And that'll do it. Put over here and put some salt on it, but make sure you don't put on too much salt. And then you have to shake it up. So I'll come over here and put some salt on it. Let's help shake it way over here. That's about plenty. Then shake it a little bit so it brings the salt down the bottom. Turn a little bit. Shake it some more. Now it should be all ready to eat.